Hi there, buddy. You have a new call. So hurry up before you miss. But most importantly, I'm looking for my froggy. Froggy? Froggy? Where are you? Where's my froggy? Froggy!
Hello? Excuse me, Mr. and Mrs.? You have a new call. Maybe it's from your friend. Or maybe it's from your mother. Hurry up and pick up. The call is very important.
Hello there, everyone. It is I, Dr. Eggman, and today I want you to answer the phone. You want to know why? Because if you do not answer the phone, I will go to your house and I will get out my egg beetle and I will destroy your house. So, you better answer that phone or I will go to your house.
You have received a call. Please answer the phone to respond. Hello? Is anyone there? Then answer it! Do it now, or you shall feel my wrath!
Hi, I'm Knuckles. I need you to pick up the phone because I need you to help me find the Master Emerald. Pick up the phone immediately! It's an emergency!
Hello, this is Shadow the Hedgehog speaking, and I'm here to tell you someone is trying to call you on your phone. I don't care who it is. I don't even know who it is. But you best answer your phone, because answering a phone is a very important thing. Why have a mobile phone if you're not going to answer anyone who tries to call you on it? You don't have a phone just to check your Instagram. That's not what it was invented for. Now pick up the phone! Hello, this is Silver the Hedgehog speaking to you. I'm from the future, and I'm here to tell you that this call is important. Unless you know better, and you know that it's a scam call, it doesn't really matter, because it's no use for you to ignore your phone, because the person may try to call again. So please pick up your phone. It may be very, very important, so please pick up the phone. It's no use to ignore it. Please pick up the phone.
Hey, you have a phone call. If you don't pick up, you might miss something important. You better pick up, or else I'll watch you in your sleep. Pick up! Well, you missed the call. You're too slow.
Hi, it's me, Vector. Pick up the phone. Come on, pick up. If you don't pick up, you won't find that computer room. Come on, this could be an important call. You're gonna miss emissions from the Chaotix. Come on, pick up. Okay. I'll catch you next time. Ring, ring, ring. Pick up the phone. This is an important call from Vector, the detective from the leader of the Chaotix. Pick up the phone. This is going to be an important call. You may miss missions from us, or, hey, you may forget to find that computer room. Come on, pick up the phone. Okay. Maybe next time. Bye.